Welcome back to Rizzie Farms, guys. Today we're going to address a home maintenance issue by replacing the water filter. This is one of those items we try to do every 6 months. We get the multi-pack sediment filter replacement cartridges from Amazon. That way we have plenty on hand, and we find this is the most cost-effective way to get them. The filter captures all the grit and sediment from our well. This keeps it from passing to the faucets, shower head, washing machine, and clogging up our plumbing fixtures. As you can see, in the past 6 months we've captured quite a bit of grit. On the top of the filter assembly is a 3-position valve. This will either be in the on, off, or in the bypass position. What I've learned from experience is not to shut the water off. This put grit in the valve and caused the filter to leak. I eventually had to remove the grit by tapping it with a screwdriver. I've never had a problem in the bypass position. I keep the instructions handy for reference. There are a few things that you need to accomplish this job. First is an empty bucket and a second bucket filled with water. You will need a filter wrench that comes with the filter assembly. You may also need some silicone lube compound to make sure that you have an easy, tight fit. The first step is to place the wrench on the filter assembly. There are notches that align with the filter tube. The second step is to turn the handle to the bypass position. Play it safe and put an empty bucket under the work area and unscrew the filter housing. Discard the old filter and rinse the housing until it is nice and clean. Note: be careful not to lose the large O-ring at the top of the housing. Make sure the O-ring is secure on the top of the housing and lubricate if necessary. Place the new filter in the housing and screw the housing snugly back into place. Lastly, turn the control handle to the on position and check for leaks. Note: there may be some air in the water lines when you flush your toilets or use the sinks. This will eventually go away. That's it for another 6 months. Thanks for watching. Rizzie Farms, guys.